Hai korang, Assalamualaikum. Okay, as for today, Tasha nak share dengan korang tentang Panasonic EH-NA98 Nanocare Hairdryer. Let's do unboxing. So Tasha boleh tunjuk kat korang. Our main concern when we use hairdryer is how much damage it causes to our hair at the end of the day. By using Panasonic EH-NA98 Hairdryer, it has nanotechnology that creates small droplets of water using negative ion. That means your hair tetap akan moisturize walaupun you guna hairdryer untuk keringkan rambut. Okay, this Nanocare have mineral treatment untuk healthy hair, scalp and also skin. So lepas rambut korang dah dry, okay, just on this, okay, and then go to scalp, okay. And the best part, okay, the last one saya nak tunjuk is on this, and then select skin. Okay, so for those who's looking for the hairdryer that won't damage and dry your hair and will keep your hair moisturized, Tasha akan suggest korang untuk dapatkan Panasonic EH-NA98 Nanocare Hairdryer. Okay, so thank you guys. See you guys again.